This is 19-year-old Derica Wiggins. She was arrested on the 18th of December this month. This is because she had an ex-boyfriend who she was still in love with, but he had moved on. He ended the relationship and started a relationship with another woman, and they had a brand new baby. Derica could not take it. She could not move on. It is not known how, but she entered his house while they were sleeping in the night. Current girlfriend of the man said that she saw something. She thought she saw someone looking through her door as she was sleeping, but she thought it was one of her boyfriend's siblings. So she went back to bed. After going back to bed, they woke up and they saw a fire. The fire was on their bed, but they were lucky enough to actually put out the fire. And when they ran outside, they actually found Derica outside and they confronted her. After that, the people called the police. It was recorded as a crime. So now Derica has been jailed. She